Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine saving a significant amount of money and eating healthier, all by making your own meals. Cooking at home puts you in charge of every ingredient, letting you create dishes that truly nourish your body, free from hidden additives. It's also an incredible way to share love and create lasting memories with family and friends. When you prepare food yourself, you add a personal touch to every bite, making mealtimes special and truly satisfying for everyone. Starting your cooking journey doesn't require a fully stocked chef's kitchen, just a few essential tools. A sharp knife for precise cuts, a sturdy cutting board for safety, and one versatile pot or pan are truly all you need to begin. These simple items unlock fundamental techniques like sautéing vegetables, boiling pasta, or simmering a comforting soup. Don't feel overwhelmed by fancy gadgets. Begin with the basics, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. The true secret to making any dish extraordinary often lies in the quality of your ingredients. Fresh, vibrant produce and well-sourced proteins really elevate the taste of your food. Always prioritize seasonal produce, as it offers the best flavor and nutritional value. Take a moment to read labels and carefully inspect items for freshness before you buy them, ensuring every component contributes positively to your meal. Think of a recipe not as a strict rulebook, but as your trusted roadmap for a successful cooking adventure. Before you even touch a single ingredient, take the time to read the entire recipe from start to finish. This helps you understand the flow. Then, prepare all your ingredients first, chopping and measuring everything. This is called mise en place, and it makes cooking much smoother. Trust the steps and enjoy the process. The more you cook, the more natural it becomes. Practice truly builds your culinary confidence and intuition. Once you're comfortable, don't be afraid to adjust seasonings to your taste or experiment with exciting new flavor combinations. Remember, every great chef started somewhere, and mistakes are simply valuable learning opportunities. Most importantly, embrace the joy of creating something delicious and share your culinary creations with others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.